Let me guess, your toilet seat's broken and you're pissed. So you're in trouble if you don't watch this next video. Today, Corey replaces a toilet seat with these, and this should get you back to your regular duties. I'm Danielle, and welcome to De-cor Homes.
Hi there, Corey from De-cor Homes here. Got a simple task of replacing a toilet seat, right? But sometimes the simple tasks can be difficult. So when changing a toilet seat, the first thing I do is grab a measuring tape, okay? So what you need to do is actually measure from where the edge of the toilet bowl is to where the bolts line up, okay? So these bolts, the center of the bolt to the edge of the toilet is 16 and a half, okay? So 16 and a half inches. You go, you find your toilet seat, okay? Toilet seats come round or elongated. So this one, we need a round one, 16 and a half inches. Basic, right? How many times have you gone to buy a new toilet seat and you get the wrong size and you look silly? So here we go. This one comes with a plastic setup, okay? These plastic bolts are cool. They're easy to put in and they don't feel like they'll break your toilet, you know? Everything is different, okay guys? So in construction, take your time, read the instruction manual. I never tend to read instruction manuals. Because I'm a man, I'm a typical man. Those go through. There's a section that you could use your adjustable wrench here. So what I always use is a wrench, the smallest wrench you need. That way you're not smashing glass or anything like that. So this goes under and you twist. So let's see if we can get under here. So you twist by hand, get it as tight as you can. Wow. Danielle's camera skills are on point. Both of us just laying next to this toilet. Okay. So I'll grab a screwdriver here. You can stay up close. So what I'm doing is I gotta hold this tight and I gotta hold the nut down here. And then you slowly twist. Let me see here. Okay, so now I'm around and I twist just to get a nice lock. Okay. So the idea is that we're putting on both of these units, and then once these are actually fastened down, this toilet seat just goes on top and it locks into place. Boom, just like that, okay? So I'm gonna unlock it. The unlock mechanism just grabs onto teeth. Okay, it's these teeth are just opening and closing. See that on the inside there? So they're all different, guys. This is a real cheap toilet seat. This is literally the cheapest toilet seat you could buy at the Home Depot, okay? We just wanted to get something quick for the client. They didn't want to spend extra money. They didn't even really know about it, so we're just doing them a favor, to be honest. But we're trying to make the most of it. And hopefully we're helping you guys install toilet seats all around the world. So we'll do the same thing where I'm going to grab the back of the nut here just to make sure that it doesn't spin. We give it a quick tighten. Okay guys, don't over tighten. The easiest way to wreck things is to put things too tight. So this toilet seat, remember how there's an unlock and a lock mechanism? So what we're doing here is we're going to unlock it, we're going to unlock it, and then this is now going to sit over top of these new holes. You push them in, they need to almost click in. You turn, you turn. Now, I don't want to say anything, but that looks pretty good to me. Thanks for watching.
you're still here. That is great news. You should check out our other videos, like this one. Make sure you subscribe.